What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to smoke out the taillights. We're going to be using my 2006 F-150 to demonstrate. Let's go over real quick the materials that you're going to need. Obviously, you're going to need a can of black Plasti Dip. You are also going to need a can of the Plasti Dip Glossifier. We're only going to be putting on one coat of the actual black Plasti Dip, and then we're going to be going over that with several coats of the clear Glossifier. Obviously, you're going to want some masking tape too. I'm not going to show you the whole masking process. I think that's just irrelevant because we already know we're going to do that. We're just going to jump right into the actual application part of the Plasti Dip. Alright, so as you can see, we've got everything completely masked off. The surface has been cleaned. We're going to go over it. We're just going to put one layer of Plasti Dip on it because we don't want to completely black it out. You want the lights to still be able to shine through. So we're going to go for probably about 70% coverage, just one time over, and that's going to be the only coat of Plasti Dip that we're going to put on it. So we're going to go ahead and spray that now. Alright guys, we've completely got the first coat on. We're going to give it a full 30 minutes to dry before we hit it with the first coat of Glossifier. Alright guys, I know I've already said this before, but I really want to drive this point home. Do not completely cover your taillights with 1 to 2 to 3 really intense coats of Plasti Dip. You still want the light to be able to shine through, or else it's going to be illegal. You're going to have cops coming on you, especially at night when the light is going to be even harder to see. So just 60 to 70% coverage of the normal Plasti Dip, and then the 4 to 5 coats of the Glossifier on top is what's going to make it have that kind of like shine, that really nice smoked out look that you're going for. One of the great perks of doing all your work in abandoned parking lots is you get to walk across the way and get you some Pollo Tropical in between coats. Let's go! Alright, so the first coat is completely dried. We gave it a full half hour. Now we're going to apply our first coat of the Plasti Dip Glossifier, and we're just going to do this about 4 or 5 times, and then I'll show you guys the end result after the final coat is dried.
Never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights glow. We wander all alone, but we can't deny the street light people.
Alright guys, so we just applied the 4th and final coat of the Glossifier. So what we're going to do now is we're going to completely remove all the masking tape and what little bit of Plasti Dip we have actually around the edges, and then we're going to show you guys what the finished product looks like.
Like people.
Alright guys, and there's the finished product of smoking out the taillights. Super pleased with the way it turned out. As you can see, I've actually blacked out other things on my truck using Plasti Dip. Actually, that used to be a chrome bumper, believe it or not. But yeah, here's the finished product. I am super pleased with the way it turns out. I've already done a couple brake light checks to make sure that the light is going to shine through enough to where it's still legal. So yeah guys, there it is. Just for the heck of it, I'll just give you a quick walk around my truck real quick. This is a 2006 Ford F-150 XLT. Put that on, put that on. I actually might black out these next. I'm liking the way that this has turned out. But yeah, what do you guys think? Should I black out those next? Or should I black out that next? Leave that down in the comments below. But we'll run back over to the taillights, give you one more look. Oh yeah, those look real nice, guys. Real nice. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. If you guys have any suggestions or comments or anything like that, feel free to leave that all below. Subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you guys next time.
People.